Hi everyone, it's me Roselyn, and since I receive a lot of questions regarding police clearance, when to submit police clearance, so I decided to make this video, and also I did a research about this topic, and I will indicate the link of the website where I found all the details for this topic. Okay, so you can click that website and you can read the other details that indicated on that website. Okay, but I will just explain and choose like 3 countries that I receive a lot of question if you work at Saudi Arabia, UAE, Malaysia, Hong Kong, if you need to submit a police clearance for that specific country. But if you work to other countries that I will not mention on this video, you can check that country on this website where you can find out if you need to submit police clearance, how you can request police clearance on that country. Okay, so we will start now. Okay, so if you are 16 years of age or older, you must submit a photocopy of a police certificate from all countries you have lived in using below criteria. So if you are 16 years old or older and you live in your country of nationality for more than 6 months at any time in your life, then submit a police certificate from your country of nationality. And if you are 16 years old or older and you have lived in your country of current residence, if different from nationality, for more than 6 months, then submit a police certificate from your country of current residence. And if you have ever lived in another country for 12 months or more, and you were 16 years or older at the time you lived there, then submit a police certificate from the country where you used to live. And if you were arrested for any reason, regardless of how long you live in that city or country, and no matter what age you were, then submit a police certificate from the city and or country where you were arrested. So you have to send a photocopy of your police certificate to NVC, bring the original police certificate plus a photocopy to your visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate. And then note, present and former residents of the United States do not need to submit any U.S. police certificates. So important. Police certificates expires after 1 year, okay? Unless the certificate was issued from your country of previous residence and you have not returned there since the police certificate was issued. If at the time of your interview and the following 3 items are all true, you must bring new police certificate to your visa interview. So first, you are more than 16 years old. Then second, the police certificate submitted to NVC was obtained more than 1 year ago and you still live in the country that issued the certificate. So these are all the criteria that you need to submit police certificate, but I will discuss each country. So I will just choose like 4 countries because not all countries are applicable that you will request a police clearance. Some of the country, if you are not reside there anymore, you cannot request a police clearance. So I will discuss that. Okay, so on this website, travel.state.gov, U.S. visa reciprocity and civil documents by country. On this website, we will check per country if you can request police clearance if you are not resided there anymore. So on this side, these are the letters. So if let's start United Arab Emirates, so UAE. Just click this one. And we will go to police, court, prison records. So just click this. And this one available only if applicant is physically present in the UAE. Okay? So meaning, if you are not there anymore, if you are not residing at UAE, you cannot request a police clearance. And don't worry, because USCIS or US Embassy already know about that. So if you work at UAE and you are not reside there anymore, you are not working there anymore, they know that you cannot submit a police certificate. So UAE are exempted for the police clearance. Okay? But of course, if you are still residing or working at UAE, you can request a police clearance. So procedure for obtaining. Police certificates may be obtained by any person regardless of nationality by personally appearing at the Central Police Headquarters located in the Emirate of Residence or former residence. When appearing to request a police certificate, the applicant should provide biometrics, recent photographs, a letter from the requesting authority, the date of residence in the emirate, and their passport. So visit or write at the end of the following. So these are the I believe these are the city, and then the address, the contact number where you can request your police clearance. And yeah, the comments. Not available by mail. Post recommends that consular officers waive the general requirement to obtain police certificates unless the applicant lives in the UAE. Okay? So I hope this is already clear. So next, let's go to different country. So let's go to Saudi Arabia. Okay? So let's go to police, court, prison records. Okay, it stated here that registration criteria, police clearance are available for Saudi citizens and resident third country nationals. Saudi citizens currently residing overseas must return in person to process the police clearance. So meaning, you need to go back to Saudi for you to process and request the police clearance. You cannot request by mail or email. And upon a research, US Embassy already know that it's hard for you to get a police clearance if you are not there anymore. Okay, so next, let's go to what do you want? Let's go to Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong. Let's go to police, court, prison records. So it says here, procedure of obtaining. Both individuals residing in Hong Kong and individuals residing outside of Hong Kong may apply. So meaning, you can apply and request for police clearance even you are no longer residing at Hong Kong, and you need to request a police clearance. So the US Embassy will request you to give them a police clearance if you work here in Hong Kong. Okay? So, individuals residing in Hong Kong, all applicants should appear in person at Certificate of No Criminal Conviction Office, which is located at, so these are all the procedure that you need to bring. So this one, individuals residing outside Hong Kong, application should be made in writing to the Commission of Police, attention EO, CNCC, 14th floor, Arsenal House, Police Headquarters, 1 Arsenal Street, 1 Chai, Hong Kong. So these are the requirements that you need to submit or you need to do when you request for police clearance. So I will not read one by one because you can check this website. I will indicate the website link, okay? So I hope this video help you out, give you an idea how to request police clearance or what are the countries that are exempted to submit police clearance. Okay, so if you have any questions, clarifications, and any topic that you want me to do a research for you, just feel free to comment on this video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.